All right. Well, it's that time again. We got some cars in the mail. I bought a bunch of Johnny Lightnings on one of the auctions the other night, and I don't have any Johnny Lightnings. And these things are cool. I'm making a mess. I'm really looking forward to opening them. These are all Johnny Lightnings, and I got four of the surf rods. There's another one up there that I have not decided whether I want to open these right now or not. They've all got surfboards. That was part of the attraction. Check this out. The the Johnnies. Look at the surfboards. They're more fancy. Fancy boards got multicolors. Anyway, I have yet to open and hold a Johnny, so let's do that right now since we already cut the cap off of this one. This is a little Johnny, and what did we get here? Came with a card. Blank on back. It's good. I can write a song or something, put it back there. Right? Sure. Here, wow, this thing's got some weight to it. What is that? It looks like a windshield. All right. Not too bad. Got taillights, headlights. It's not as bright as it usually is. So what happens if I turn on? Whoa, is that too much? Interesting. I like this little car for, I think it was like $1. But nothing fancy about it. The wheels are plastic. I think the base is metal. The body's metal. Engine feels like plastic. The rest of it's plastic. But it's a neat little car. All right. All right. It's a little crowded here. This is one I'm really looking forward to seeing. Well, first, Johnny Lightning, Dragsters USA. Pretty cool card. The previous car, the date on the card is 2001. This one, 1995. Here is an American Motors AMX drag racing. Oh, this is Johnny. $1995. Not much on the bottom down there, but when I was a kid, late 60s, when I was discovering Hot Wheels and NHRA and slicks, all that fun stuff when you're 11 years old. And I just loved, for some reason, the AMX. I thought the AMX was just the coolest little car. And this is a pretty cool version of it. Shirley Shahan. It's got a little weight to it. It's a drag car, so I don't guess it needs taillights. It's got headlights though. What a neat little car. I like I like the black interior, the way it's kind of subtle in there. It's, I don't know. That seems to me that's the way it should be. I don't like a bright pink. You know, when they Hot Wheels does that a lot. It'd be a neat looking car with like a really goofy colored interior. I like this. That's a solid car. We're gonna be happy with Johnny. I think I might just purchase more Johnny cars. Huh. All right. Cool. All right. I don't think I'm going to open those other Johnnies right now. This video is already too long. I will show this little car though. This I bought from one of the guys on Whatnot, and it came as a Lucy, just like you see it. But it is a why do I have it upside down? Because it's old. 1983. That is 1983. This is probably the oldest Hot Wheel I currently own. It's 83, which is the casting. It, might be at 84, 85 or whatever. Who knows? But I'm not a Ford guy, so. But it's from that era that I like to have one of everything, and so now I have a convertible Mustang, and I don't need another one. There we go. And that's about enough of that right there. That right there is definitely my car of the day. Okay, later.